नमस्कार। नंदकिशोर एजुकेशनल इस यूट्यूब चैनल में मैं आपका सहर्ष स्वागत करता हूं। पिछले वीडियो में हमने जो सीरीज शुरू की है प्रत्यक्ष अप्रत्यक्ष कथन की, आज इस सीरीज का भाग 5वां है। आज हम देखेंगे कि अन्य शब्दों में कुछ बदलाव या परिवर्तन किस प्रकार होते हैं। पहला नियम, निकटता दिखाने वाले शब्दों में परिवर्तन करके उनके स्थान पर दूरी प्रकट करने वाले शब्द रख दो। जैसे नाउ हो जाता है देन, धिस हो जाता है दैट, दीज हो जाता है दोज, हियर हो जाता है देयर, THUS हो जाता है सो, कम हो जाता है गो, एगो हो जाता है बिफोर, वॉज हो जाता है देन, हेंस हो जाता है थेंस, यानी HENCE हो जाता है THENCE, HITHER हिदर हो जाता है थिदर, THITHER, टुडे हो जाता है दैट डे, टुमारो हो जाता है द नेक्स्ट डे, यस्टरडे हो जाता है द प्रीवियस डे, लास्ट नाइट हो जाता है द नाइट बिफोर, नेक्स्ट डे हो जाता है द फॉलोइंग डे, टुनाइट हो जाता है दैट नाइट। चलिए इनके एग्जाम्पल्स देख लेते हैं, उनके उदाहरण देख लेते हैं। ही सेड, कॉमा, आई वॉन्ट टू प्ले नाउ। ये था डायरेक्ट, अब मैं पढ़ूंगा इनडायरेक्ट। ही सेड दैट ही वॉन्टेड टू प्ले देन। He said, this is very bad. Indirect, he said that was very bad. He said, I am here. He said that he was there. He said, I will play today. He said that he would play that day. He said, Lata came here. He said that Lata had gone there. संकेत, कम को गो में उस समय बदला जाता है जब इसके बाद कोई निकटता प्रकट करने वाला शब्द हो। अंतिम उदाहरण देखो। इंपॉर्टेंट नोट्स, यदि धिस, हियर और नाउ किसी ऐसी वस्तु, स्थान या समय की और संकेत करें जो कहते समय कहने वाले के सामने हो, तो इनडायरेक्ट यानी अप्रत्यक्ष कथन यानी नैरेशन में उनमें कोई परिवर्तन नहीं होगा। जैसे डायरेक्ट, ही सेड दिस इज द प्लेस वेयर आई वॉज beaten. Indirect, he said that this was the place where he had been beaten. Direct, the stranger said, here I slept for 4 hours. Indirect, the stranger said that here he had slept for 4 hours. Exercise. Hari said to you, Mohan did not sleep here yesterday. Kamla said, Sita, this is my book. I cannot give it to you. The boy said, into inverted comma, I am not going to school today. B said, A said to B, these tables are very fine. C said to D, I shall not work now. Sheila said to Karina, your clothes are here. We said to them, we worked hard today. The king said to his soldier, we did not see it before. Exercise. Change the following narration. Change the narration of the following sentences. Ram said, I am going to the school. 2. I said to my sister, you are the best girl in the street. The patient said, I want to see the doctor. The magistrate said, into inverted comma, I had received a telegram to my friends. The player cried loudly. We, inverted comma, we won the shield. The father said to his son, you have become lazy. My friend said to me, into inverted comma, I have lost your book today. The vakil said, into inverted comma, here lies the point. You are guilty. He said, into inverted comma, I cannot go with you to Agra. She said, now you stay, Sita, my friend. The boy says, I have helped him. The boy will say, into inverted comma, we want to go there today. The sage said, into inverted comma, the poor are always unhappy. Rama said, I always take sugar after taking my meal. The mother said, this child sleeps after having milk. The man carried, into inverted comma, somebody has called me. आशा करता हूँ मेरे द्वारा दी हुई जानकारी से आप संतुष्ट हुए होंगे। मिलते हैं अन्य किसी नए वीडियो में। तब तक खुश रहिए, आबाद रहिए। धन्यवाद दोस्तों।